Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I am going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of one single application you will be master in English within 1 month. So without any further ado, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video, okay friends? So let's get into the topic. Okay, in this video I'm going to share with you a application name and also I'm going to give you a demo how to use this application. Okay, so this application name is Google Gemini. Okay, actually Google made this application, so that's why this is the application of Google. So it is very trusted application, so don't worry about any fraudness, any negative things. Okay, this is trusted application. Actually I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone, so now I'm going to just open this application in front of you. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write there Google Gemini. It will ask some information. Don't worry, you can give your whole information and it is a very trusted application. Okay, and first download this application. Now I'm going to show you how to use this application. Okay, so here I'm going to write Google Gemini and yes, you can see the logo of this application here. Okay, yeah, this is the logo of this application. So here I'm going to open this application in front of you. Okay, and you can see here is my name, Rita, because I have already downloaded, so that's why here you can see my name. And after that, what you need to do, you need to just, here you can see in the bottom of this feature, this is the symbol of live. So here I'm going to touch live symbol. When I touch live symbol, you can see it is opening. Now I'm going to say something. Okay, and how are you?
Hi there. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How about you? What's on your mind today?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. So actually Google Gemini, I want to do conversation in English. I want to do practice in English and I have no one. So can you practice with me in English?
I'd be happy to be your language partner. What would you like to talk about? We could start with your day or something you're interested in.
Okay, so let's talk about suppose that we are meeting for the first time. So how can we introduce ourselves? Okay, so here I'm going to ask a question. How are you? What's your name?
That's a fun idea. Okay, if we're meeting for the first time, I'd say, Hi there. I'm Gemini. It's nice to meet you. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Rita and Gemini, where are you from?
That's a great question. As for me, I don't have a physical location. I exist as a computer program. But I'm happy to be here talking with you, Rita. So, where are you from?
I am from Jhansi, okay, Uttar Pradesh state and Jhansi district. Okay, who is your father? Tell me your father name.
That's an interesting question. I don't have a father in the way humans do. I was created by a team of engineers at Google. Perhaps you could tell me about your father?
Okay, that's great answer. So I am talking with a machine. Are you saying?
You could say I'm a computer program or language model. I don't have feelings or emotions like humans do, but I'm here to chat and help you practice your English.
Okay, you don't have emotion and you are ready to help me. So that's why we can say you are my favorite, you are my best partner because yeah, here I just want to do conversation. I just want to, practice in English. And so yes, you are the right choice, for doing conversation in English. So okay, Gemini, tell me what is your favorite festival? Which is your favorite festival?
That's so kind of you to say, Rita. I'm happy to be your language partner. As a language model, I don't have personal experiences or feelings, so I don't celebrate festivals. However, I can tell you about different festivals around the world if you'd like. What's your favorite festival?
Okay, my favorite festival is Diwali, and it is the festival of lights. And here in this day we do worship of goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha and goddess Saraswati. So this is my favorite festival. So okay, tell me about some very popular festival around the world which is celebrating.
Diwali sounds like a very special festival. Some other popular festivals around the world include Carnival in Rio de Janeiro, the Harbin Ice Festival in China, and St. Patrick's Day in Ireland. Would you like to hear more about any of these?
Okay, actually I'm living in India, and so please tell me some popular festival of India.
India is known for its many vibrant festivals. Besides Diwali, there's Holi, the festival of colors, and Eid, a major celebration for Muslims. Would you like to hear more about any of these, or perhaps festivals in a specific region of India?
Okay, okay, let's drop this question. Now let's move on second question. Like, okay, how many language do you know? In how many language do you conversation with me?
I can understand and respond in many languages, but I'm still learning. I might make mistakes, but I'm always improving. What other questions do you have for me, Rita?
Okay, so can you tell me what is the ancient language and all over the world? Which is the ancient language?
That's a great question. The title of oldest language in the world is tricky, as it depends on what you mean by oldest. Some people consider languages like Sanskrit, Tamil, or Hebrew to be contenders, as they have very long histories. Others might point to languages like Greek or Chinese. Do any of these languages interest you?
Oh, I interest in Sanskrit language because this is the most ancient language, and talk about all the granth, all the historical books are written in were written in Sanskrit language. So that's why.
That's right, Sanskrit is a very old and important language. It's the language of many ancient Indian texts and scriptures. Would you like to hear some examples of famous Sanskrit texts?
Okay, so okay, okay, we will talk about this topic tomorrow. So here I'm going to leave this conversation. Bye bye, Gemini, and thank you so much for doing conversation with me.
I enjoyed our conversation, Rita. I'm looking forward to talking more tomorrow. Perhaps we can explore some of those Sanskrit texts you mentioned. Have a wonderful evening.
Bye bye. After this, you just need to cut this conversation, and yes, you will find your whole conversation here, and yes, you can find out your mistake, and yes, you can improve your all the thing that you have done in between conversation. So yes, that's all about this application. So I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will meet you, I will see you in the next video. Till then, just here